What is going on, everybody? This is Jaden, and welcome back to the channel. I want to quickly get into the market overview for this week. We're going to talk about SIFI today. So this is last week. The pairs that we have for last week right here. The blue flags are the buys, and the red flags are sell weeks. If you don't know what the SIFI indicator is, it will tell us what the trend is for that week. And we wait for a pullback, and then we wait for our entry to happen. So this one, they gave me the pullback that I wanted, and then they slipped up. That's good. You want to be on YouTube, by the way. They gave us the play, or they didn't give us a play actually. Let me see if we got one on the 5-minute. See if they gave us anything. No, they did not. So, all right. So, SIFI works on a 30-minute, but what we'll do, we'll go through. Let me just look through real quick, see if we got any plays at all. They did give us the pullback, and then shots. That's what we want. They didn't give me the pullback I wanted. They gave it all the way here, and now they're giving me the W that I wanted, but that's not what I need. So, wanted them to pull back more. They didn't give me that play. They didn't give me the play that I wanted here. They're having delayed pullbacks right now. This one did not give me the play. So with SIFI, you want them to do what you want them to do. I'm not trying to just look for a trade. I want them to, if I see a certain pattern, if I see them do the movement I want, then I'm gonna take the play. For example, this one actually pulled back. They didn't give me a 30-minute play, but let's see if I get another play. No, they did not give me a 5-minute. Let's see if we get a 3-minute. No. We get a 1-minute? Man, they didn't give me any plays. They didn't give me a 1-minute. If we would have got a play down here, right here, I would have taken that. So, look at SIFI. SIFI is insane. Anyway, so let's go to Euro USD. We did get the pullback I wanted right here. They gave me that play right here. Let's see if we got a play on the 5-minute. We did not. 3-minute. We did not. What about the 1-minute? We did not. I could play the 2-minute as well, but they didn't give me anything. So let's go back to the 30-minute. We didn't get a play. Look at this. Look at SIFI. SIFI is just crazy. And look, see, this is what we're looking for actually. See how they gave me this? This, I don't want that. Lower time frame. But this right here, they gave me my pullback that I wanted. I drew this out in the beginning of the week. They gave me my pullback, gave me my W. Look at that W. Gave me my SIFI money. So that's what we're looking for every week. So GBP USD. Oh, they gave us GBP USD. They pulled back where I wanted them to. They actually went deeper. Gave me my play, SIFI. If you want the SIFI indicator, drop a comment below. This mess ain't no joke. So this is a sell week. So I'm looking for a pullback to the upside. They pushed with the trend. I wanted them to pull back. They did not. So we did not get a play. And same thing here. We did not get a play. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clear all my flags, and we're going to set up for this week. So I'm going to go through my pairs, and I'm going to look for ones that are trending. This is not trending, not this week at least. Monday night is technically Tuesday morning or Tuesday trade session. This is when I like to map out my week. So we got AUD is a buy. AUD and ZD is for buys this week. CAD Chef is for sells this week. Let's see. This is not looking to trend. Okay. Ooh. Man, that was actually a good play. This is a good pullback right here. That's a good pullback. Could have taken that. Could have taken that. They might pull back and go, but they might just leave. But let's see. see is keep going. Let's get all these mapped out. I want another day of pullback on that one. Euro, JPY. Looks like they're pulling back as well. So if they're pulling back, these other euros might pull back. This is in trend. No trend, no trend. This might be for a buy. Nope. Nope. Continuing. Nope. That's still a sell. Yeah, I was gonna say. All right. So this is for a sell. Nothing. 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 I'm just gonna do the normal Forex pairs right now. I'm not gonna do exotics. I don't know what happened right here, but that bar is disgusting. And of course, it's UJ that would like to do that. So I'm going to organize my pairs. Let's map out what I want to happen for the week. Same exact thing, but I'm going to look at what they did in the beginning of the week. So right now we have a pullback. I want them to pull back one more time. Give me a play. And I'm going to add one of my favorite indicators called the matrix averages indicator. And it's going to give me my zones of where I want them to hit. So I want them to come up about right here, actually, which makes sense because that's around this area of support and resistance right here. So that's actually beautiful. If they can rise up to this level, give me my play, I'm hitting it. Same right here. They have consolidated. So what I want them to do is I want them to give me a sharp push, probably up to about right here. Give me my play. We're looking for a Thursday play, probably right here. NZD. See this bar right here? That's gonna, is that around 9 o'clock? Yeah, 2200, that's around 10 o'clock. Yep, okay. So anyway, this, I want them to, they did a Monday. I'm waiting them to start their pullback. Give me a pullback to around right here. They can give me that with a nice W. That would be nice. Let's come right here. They're not quite there yet, so I would not be surprised, even though this is a pretty good pullback, actually. I would like for them to pull back one more time. Give me my play. So we're looking for around a Wednesday, Thursday play for this, or possibly Tuesday, but depending on what they do, if they shoot down. This is another Euro pair. They're giving me a pullback already. So let's see if they can pull back again into this W zone. Kind of matches right with this zone right here. Yeah, see they're bouncing off of this zone, this level. Look where it lines up. Hit it right there. They broke through it, hit it here again. Came back, hit it again. So if they come back to it, give me another play with a SIFI, that would be nice. And look at this, Euro JPY is doing this pullback. See, they did this and now they're dipping again. So if they dip again, that would be nice. If they can give me that. This EJ doing this kind of tells me that it's possible that these other Euro pairs are going to drop. See, they can fool you with this. So we'll see how it plays out. But that UJ is kind of showing their hand a little bit, unless they're just kind of doing what they want to do. NZD, I want them to drop a little bit more. It's about right there. I want that W zone. And GBP CAD, they are pulling back right now. So we're getting good pullbacks. I want them to pull back heavy. So they need to pull back pretty heavy. And that is what I want. So let's see if they actually play it out. Again, I am not going to chase trades. I want the market to come to me. I want it to do what I want it to do. Look at this, same thing. This is the same stuff. They did a push with the trend, pulled back nice, gave me my play, even though this is a V top. It's probably the more dangerous ones to play, but you still got a gold sci-fi and you got money. If I do my replay tool right here, you should see the look at this. Look. It came down, came up, hit my W zone, gave me my play, money. That's what I'm looking for. And I draw these out before the market happens, and look at what happened. Well, actually, I think I just drew this one out, but I saw the pattern. But I normally do what I'm doing right now. So this stuff, it happens a lot. This one right here, we actually lost on this one, but this is not a proper pullback the way I want it. So you'll learn more about that. This is a proper pullback right here, but the week was already over. So if you want to learn more about sci-fi, be sure to leave a comment below. We might teach some stuff up here, but we do have some stuff in our Discord, and we also have a private course as well. But there's going to be some free sauce for y'all that want to get into sci-fi and use it, because sci-fi is amazing. Set it and forget it. So anyway, give this channel a like, subscribe to my channel, because there's going to be some sauce dropped on this channel, including for vector games, sci-fi, and even a little secret strategy that I got going on in the background right now. So be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll talk to y'all later. Deuces.